Hi, my name is Aisling Duggan. I'm the EQHS manager with Derrycourt Cleaning Specialists. Derrycourt provide a range of contract cleaning services in a large range of industries such as healthcare, pharmaceutical, retail, food manufacturing and corporate offices. ECAT have been our audit system for over 6 years now and have provided a fantastic service to us. Our EQHS team have worked very closely with ECAT over the years to develop and implement industry-specific and site-specific audits on all of our contracts. ECAT have provided support to us not only as a company but also for our clients. We send detailed audit reports to clients who are extremely happy with these reports. They support compliance and also support our goal for continuous improvement within Derrycourt. I would highly recommend ECAT as an effective audit system for any company out there. They can adapt and tailor to your needs regardless of what industry you work in. ECAT is a brilliant service and I would definitely highly recommend it.